What's that? We got another package. Alright, I'll go check it out. What we got here? What we got? What we got? Good doggy. Alright, let's see what we got here. You want to open it with us? Alright, let's see. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today's package is just arrived from ArmyandOutdoors.com. They're out of New Zealand and they deliver internationally, so feel free to check them out. They got a lot of stuff on their site, ArmyandOutdoors.com. So there should only be a few items here, so it should be a pretty quick video. Let's dive right into it. Kind of backed into a corner here, so I'll just go ahead and rip this open. We'll see what the first item on top is. I think I already know what this is. It's actually pretty thick. So this should be something there. Move it out of the way. This is a Serbian Woodland Parka. So if we go ahead and take a look at this. Does have a liner. Starting with the collar, looks like a kind of a nylon hanger strap that's attached there. A button holding down both the liner and we'll see when we get into the back. Has the collar has a series of buttons, probably to attach a hood. Shoulders are attached with buttons, both sides. Ooh, this one does have a patch. Nice. That's sewn on. Let's see, looks like we have a rank area right there. I can go right back on there. So I can put a rank Velcro patch. No top pockets. Working our way down, we do have some open slash pockets on the sides. Looks like some button, two button, kind of wide belt loops on both sides. Two buttons there. You can see not all both buttons, just the top ones right now. Another slash pocket. So we move to the back. Big look at the pattern right there. So I can see a reinforcement strip right there. We unzip it. The zipper. Maybe on this side. Okay. Real quick at the sleeves. Looks like there's a reinforcement on the elbow, forearm that goes down to here, and then we have some dual buttons. And looks like we could probably do a cheater this way. Let's see if it actually is feasible or if that's just something I kludge up. No, it might actually work. So that could be done that way, or it could be tightened up this way, really tight. So let's put that back for now. Okay, see about unzipping this. Kind of a plasticized zipper. Any brand markings on it? Nope. Okay, so we do have also buttons running down here that can then be closed on these buttonholes on the second layer inside here. And there's your zipper. Now on the inside, looks like there's a couple extra buttons. This one's for this inner pocket that kind of goes into right behind the rank area. The liner is buttoned in with this flap that runs down the sides. Looks like there's a drawstring that's been attached to this button. Interesting. Move around to the other side. Same dealio. Except they didn't attach the drawstring. Let's see what happens if we do that right there. We might be able to do it. Similarly, there's the drawstring up here that can probably attach to something like one of these, maybe. Let's see if we have a matching one up. Yep, we do up here. Pocket-wise, there's not a matching pocket on this side, and the liner goes around here. And here's our label. So let's see, get that in focus. Get a look-see at that. Okay, so is there anything on the inside behind the liner? Something like this. I think that's the inside of the pockets. Yeah. I don't see any other internal labels, anything standing out. So let's move this to the side. We've got other items to go through. Next is, I'm probably going to mispronounce this, Austrian ANZUG, ANZUG 03 Ripstop combat trousers. So we start at the waistline, very flexible. These are belt loops. You can kind of see the ripstop pattern, hopefully. Inside does seem to have these two suspender connector points, as well as in the fronts right there. Interesting how they're on the inside of your waistline. Button top, zipper, plasticized, slash pockets, both sides. No rear pockets. We got cargo pockets like this. We got a flap and then a zipper with a pull tab. Pretty deep. Likewise, the other side, zipper. So I got some fraying right at the edge. I'll probably burn that off. No biggie. Okay, knees. Well, they got the sectioned area for the knee right here and here. Drawstring and elasticized bottom. The drawstring holder, and it's two separate strings that are tied in a knot. Let's see that. Likewise on this side, same dealio. Drawstring holder, blah blah blah. No extra pockets, pretty symmetrical. Label-wise, we just got, let's see what we got here. Yeah, totally missed the camera there. 67% polyester, 33% balm wool. That's your blend right there, and then this one says 3. Alright, nothing really else going on with these. Let's move on to the last item, which is pretty cool. This is Belgian Army Ripstop camo shirt. So it's got the Belgian camo pattern. Very nice. So it looks like here's our rank area right here in the middle. Looking at the collar, kind of a shirt collar. You can see the ripstop pattern. Looks like we got a khaki base to start with. And then kind of a yellow, green, almost an aqua green kind of, and then a black, and then this kind of maroon color here. Quickly look at the label. Ooh, got some fade there, so I don't know. Let's see if I can get this to darken there a little bit. Okay, that's all we can really see there. A lot of it's faded. Anywho, pocket-wise, single button. This example doesn't have any patches. I can feel the shoulder right there. Feels like reinforced elbow. Cuffs, single button on cuffs. Interesting. One buttonhole. Rank area, pockets only on the top, no lower pockets. There's your back. Looks like there's a little bit of a white pattern in there too above the black. Interesting. Oh, here we go. Belgian flag. But only on that side, nothing on this side. So if we get to here, we got the buttons on the inside kind of surface. Sorry, our hands are kind of cold today. It's not going as quickly as I would like. Let's see. I think it's just this one left here. Something's interfering with right in the middle there. What is this? There's a button. Okay, so you can see it's kind of this more olive green on the inside all the way around versus the actual pattern. Let me see if I can change this lighting. It's kind of blaring right at me. Okay, see if that's any better. Versus that. So that's about it. Again, Belgian Army Ripstop camo shirt. Austrian ANZUG number 3 combat trousers Ripstop. And what we started with originally, the Serbian Woodland Parka. These all came from ArmyandOutdoors.com out of New Zealand. They ship internationally. Feel free to check out their store site. And feel free to check out other unboxing videos in the playlist. We also do a little bit of show and tell of other items specifically. And we also have an offshoot, a Curios and Curious series of non-milsurp items that might catch your interest as well. So feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.